India is tightening its immigration policy. The new immigration bill has been presented in the parliament, and there are many changes in the bill versus the laws right now. The new bill aims to streamline immigration laws, strengthen national security, and impose stricter penalties on violations. The new bill has been piloted by the Union Home Ministry, and it provides new rules for people traveling from abroad to India. The new bill will replace four colonial era laws, including the Foreigners Act of 1946 and the Passport Act of 1920, Registration of Foreigners Act of 1939, and Immigration Act of 2000 to create a modern legal framework. Now, what will change for you if this bill has been approved? We tell you in this video. The penalties will become stricter on violations. If approved, anyone found using a forged passport or a visa for entering, staying, or exiting India will be punished with a jail term of up to 7 years and a fine of the extent of 10 lakh rupees as per the new immigration bill. It also provides for mandatory reporting of information about foreigners by hotels, universities, and other educational institutions, hospitals, and nursing homes to enable tracking of overstaying foreigners. All international airlines and ships will also be required to submit the passenger and crew manifest at the port or someplace in India. The advance information of passengers and the crew on board of such an aircraft or a vessel or any other mode of transport internationally shall be submitted. Now, it also says that any foreigner who enters into India without any valid passport or other travel document will be punished with an imprisonment for the term which may extend to 5 years with a fine that may extend to 5 lakh rupees. Now, this bill empowers the center to exert control over places that are frequently visited by foreigners, and owners of the premises are required to refuse admission to all specified class of foreigners that have been directed by the center to not be allowed. The Immigration and Foreigners Bill of 2025 consists of several existing provisions of earlier 4 laws that are proposed to be repealed after simplification and harmonization, but it also contains new provisions to meet requirements of the present day. The legislation is also in line with the government's policy of simplification, under which the new tax bill was also formed. Now, this immigration bill, however, does not relate to any matters that grant citizenship. It only tackles the problems of illegal immigration in India and facilitate tracking of movement of overstaying foreigners within India, is what the government is saying. As per the Union Ministry, 98.4 lakh foreigners have visited India from April 1, 2023 to March 31, 2024. Now, who gives approval to these foreigners to enter India? Well, the Indian visas of all categories of foreigners are granted in physical or sticker form by Indian missions or posts abroad. By the Bureau of Immigration also grants e-visas to under 7 categories of people from 167 countries. Now, the stay and movement of foreigners in India and their exit is regulated by the BOI and the state governments and the union territory administrations. As per existing laws, all foreigners on long term or more than 180 days, students, medical research, employment, missionary, and the project visas are required to register with the foreigners regional registration officer or FRRO or the foreigners registration officer or FRO concerned within 14 days of arrival. Pakistani nationals are required to register within 24 hours of arrival. Other than this, is for protected areas like Andaman and Nicobar Islands, parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Northeast, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. Foreigners need to take special permits to travel. Apart from the 4 laws of immigration, other laws covering foreigners in India include Citizenship Act of 1995 and the Overseas Citizens of India Act or OCI. Now, these have not been repealed. These will not be repealed if the bill is passed. Now, these are separate laws as per the center right now. In a nutshell, the new Immigration and Foreigners Bill does not include Citizenship Acts and has more stricter entry and stay regulations for foreigners. The penalty for violations have also going to become stricter, with imprisonment of up to 7 years for certain violations and fine amounting up to 10 lakh rupees in some cases. The center says that the bill is not to discourage visitors in India but to ensure strict compliance to immigration policies and ensure national security while boosting tourism. Now, this is not yet been approved by the parliament. Remember, it is just a bill right now. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.